quick video on this high-speed gear laser slim grip belt. This is a battle belt system. It's an inner belt with cobra buckles that threads through the outer belt. The outer belt has laser cut molly slots, and there's openings so that you can weave the belt in and out of the molly slots as needed, depending on how you want to mount things. The inside of the belt has this really cool neoprene backer. And what that does is basically just creates super high friction. So you can throw this over your gear, over your normal belt and your clothes, and it will stay in place without the use of keepers or any kind of other attachment systems. Which is part of the reason why I'm wearing gym clothes for this video, because I'm going to demonstrate that you can just throw it on over anything and rock it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and show you what I mean. So normally I'll have another belt on. This will be nice and tight. It'll go on. You can go on over a jacket maybe. It'll stay right in place and be locked in as I pull stuff, draw my gun. Belt's not going anywhere. Even right now, the friction pretty good. All right. So if I hang upside down, it may come off, but for the most part, this is pretty useful. I can use it for me. I can set up my dry fire after I make sure my mags are unloaded. There's no live ammo. I can rock this over my pajamas if I wanted to and do dry fire without having to go get dressed and put on all my clothes, my competition setup basically. So that's cool. Obviously keep it by your bed. If you're worried about that, throw it on over your boxers, that might work too. So just a thought. The cool thing about the mag pouches are the tacos. HSGI makes tacos. Basically, they're the laminated material that's folded up with this stretchy webbing that weaves in and out through it, and you can use or adjust the tension of the mag pouch as needed with these little pull strings right here, which makes these mag pouches pretty universal. Double stack steel mags. This is a cesium mag. Okay, you can use single stack mags. Will fit in there very well. The Sig Sauer mag, double stack 9. Polymer block mags, double stack. So 3 different types of mags. This is a polymer version, which does away with the laminated material and makes the entire mag pouch out of polymer pieces. Works the exact same way with tension. Like I said, kind of universal. I've got a flashlight in this one, Surefire flashlight. So really you can use these in a lot of different ways. So for range use or for practice, like for me dry firing, I can run different mags out of these without having to swap out my belts, swap out my loadout. Same thing with the rifle mags. AR mags, you can use AK mags, you can use 308 mags. There's a pretty wide range of mags that'll fit in a single mag pouch, so very cool. In this case, this was set up for 6 Sauer P320 X5. I will probably swap this out. I like to run a G-code RTI system so I can hang whatever holster I need. However, when I got home, I discovered that this holster actually works very well for this CZ-P07. Actually, like it was made for it well. So, okay. It really kind of fits the dimensions of this gun pretty much perfectly. So, as far as the tension, you can use this in a pinch if you need it to. So, and for dry fire practices, works pretty well. All right. So that's cool. Like it was made for it. Kydex holsters do that sometimes. Try yours out. Cross compatibility is a cool thing. So, also, like I said, for dry fire, the Glock fits in there as well. It's not as perfect of a fit, kind of pushes the holster out a little bit, but for dry fire purposes, or if I really needed to, right, I can use this. So pretty cool. Yay, Kydex. Just as an example, okay, so however you want to run it. So that's about it. Just wanted to show off this belt and some of the cool adaptable kind of flexibility you have with the system. You can do a lot with this and load it out any way you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.